Now we're going to go through the ingredients of the banana muffins. For that, we're going to need 2 cups of white flour, half a cup of oil. I use canola oil, 2 eggs, a quarter cup of wheat germs, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, a cup of bananas. That's usually 2 medium-sized bananas mashed, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and walnuts. It's an option if you like. A bowl to mix the ingredients, spoon, another little spoon later on to take the butter out, a smaller muffin pan. I picked up a smaller one because usually banana muffins, of course it can be in a bigger muffin cupcake holders, but I chose the little one because it's better for kids as a snack, and I think it's more convenient. And the cupcake holders are number 3 for this recipe, although of course you can use a number 5.